Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool mixing bar right here, and basically what this is an electric handheld mixer, and you guys actually change the different heads on here if you guys want to. So in terms of the actual product right here, they mentioned there's a few features on here. So there's 5 different speeds on here. It has a power of 400 watts. It has a quick mixing option. It has a eject button, and it's easy to store because of how compact the product is. So this is basically what the packaging looks like on the outside. Let me actually open it up and show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So the first thing right here, you can see there's a bag of a bunch of accessories right here. So here's number 1. Here is number 2, and here is a bunch more as well. So here are other 2. So you want to use these 2 or these 2, and then you guys can either use these 2 as well. So you definitely have a lot of different options on here if you guys want to use it for a mixer or beater, etc. They do provide guys a holder. So you can put all the different heads right here. I believe you guys can actually put the mixer right here to hold it up. So that way everything is all organized. And then right here we have the mixer. And at the very bottom they do provide guys the instruction manual or user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and how to maintain it as well. And that's basically everything that's included in the package. So let me just take this out and show you guys what the mixer looks like. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Definitely looks pretty cool. It kind of looks like a milk frother, but it's not. So you can see right here they do have the logo, and right here is where you guys want to insert each one of the head. So whether you guys want to use the whisk or the beater, you can definitely put both of them inside here. On top of right here, I believe this is the ventilation for the product to prevent it from like overheating and etc. Right here is the switch you guys want to plug into the wall to activate it. And right here is the eject button. So you're going to press the button right here to eject your mixers out, or the hand whisk. Right here we do have a turbo button, and right here are the different speed level to activate the product. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So all you guys need to do is just turn it on like this, or turn it down this way to turn it off. And the bottom part right here, you see the way how they design it also has the ventilation and also the non-slip material as well to prevent it from like moving around when you guys put it on a flat surface. So I really like the option a lot. So that way since you put it on a flat surface, you don't have to worry about it falling or anything. Or if you guys want to, you can even put it on here as well, just like this. So that way it's actually keep everything all organized, and you can put each one of the heads right here as well. Alright, so you see that once you put everything on here, this is basically what it looks like on this side. So I definitely love everything about this product. Like they literally thought about everything to make the life a lot easier, so you guys can keep everything all organized. I definitely love the handle option right here, so that way it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to blend your stuff or mix your stuff or even beat your eggs or whatever. So in terms of each different speed level, you definitely want to adjust it based on your own preference on what you guys are planning to use it for. So just in case if you guys ever forget what each one is for, this one is a whisk. So you use this regularly to mix stuff. Here's egg beater, and then here's a dough hook. So you can use this to mix like heavy dough. So for example, like mixing like cookie dough or whatever, you can definitely use the dough hook in that situation. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over and show you guys how it actually looks like and how to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we got the product. Let me put it on the head and show you guys how it works. So I just want to pull this out. You have to put it on the table like this. You can see it definitely has a non-slip bottom, so that way it actually prevents it from moving around. And then you want to select whatever you guys want to use. So in this case, we'll just use this one. Make sure it locks in. Alright, so once you guys have it in, you guys will plug in the cable to activate it. Alright, so once we plug in the cable, then we start activate the product. So use the button in the back right here to activate it. So if I push it up, that's a high speed level unless I use turbo. Alright, so you can see how powerful the actual product is. And then when you guys are done using it, you can press the eject button in the back right here, and actually will eject it out. And it comes out really easy just like that. So that's basically how you use the product. So you can definitely use the whisk option, or you can use the egg beater right here, or you guys can use the dough mixer right here as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you saw a quick test of the product. You can definitely see that it actually does work, and it's worked quite well. Super easy to use. All you're going to do is plug in the cable, then you start using it after you guys plug in each one of the actual heads. And I really like the fact of how easy it is to actually maintain and clean the product. Once you guys eject the head, you guys can just hand wash it and just let it air dry on the actual stand. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this handheld mixer set, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys want to be space saving, you don't want to like add too much stuff around the countertop, or if you don't have a lot of space to work with, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.